Today I will talk about how can you enable sound effects on your Quizlet app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here, and just click here on profile. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click on your settings. When just click here on your settings, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, come here to sound effects, just click here in this side. Then like you see this color show for us, let's make here sound effects enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.